All right, what's good, y'all boys? Today we are, a little bit of a late trade recap. Only took one trade today and got stopped out. Finished up on the week up like $16 or $1,700. So yesterday I had a pretty much break-even day. I want to say yesterday there was no really point for a recap. It was just horrible price action, as was today. Yesterday I got stopped out of my trade, the trade that I won, I took an L and then I took a dub, and they were 1-to-1, so they canceled each other out, and we were just consolidating for so long. But anyway, so I had a break-even day yesterday. I was down like a tiny bit, like 5 points or something like that yesterday, and then today I am down a little bit. Still up like 600, 5 or 6. I think I was up like 585 per account. So, not the best. 585 by 3 or times 3, that's 1755. 585 per account, whatever. Not like the greatest week ever, but hey, green is green, right? Can't really complain. So, anyway, reason that I took this short, now I was so confident in this short setup, but CPI, guys, so CPI dropped on Wednesday morning, as you all probably know. And ever since then, like I said yesterday and today, absolutely horrid price action. I'm not going to lie. I kind of wish that I didn't trade today. It's hard to take off some days because, I really don't like to miss the Discord call with all of you guys. But actually, going into market open, I had a long bias, right? Because right here, you can see how much we ripped up. And a matter of fact, from 8 a.m. to market open, we moved up 300 points. I don't know why. Let me go on Forex Factory and see if there was anything yesterday. I'm pretty sure there was not. Or sorry, not yesterday, today. Yeah, there wasn't really anything. We just had that huge rip up. So I did have a long bias, but market opens and what happens? We have this huge dump down. Zone that I had marked out was this high from yesterday at 3, or I guess this morning at 3 a.m. No, yesterday morning at 3 a.m. That high right here, pretty significant high that we broke above. So I was looking for us to for us to come tap into this zone. I was looking for us to come down into here and then respect it and play longs out of it. Or I was looking for us to actually break below and hold and take shorts, which is what I ended up doing. So we'll go back down onto the 1 minute. Now I ended up taking a long setup right about here. Because like I just said, I said I wanted to enter a long setup if we came in here and then respected it. Yes, this is only on the 1 minute. But if you come here, look on the 2 minute, we had a very bullish close as well on there, as well as the 3 minute. Huge bottom wick right there. And yeah, come in.
You recording?
Yeah. We have a special guest here as well. But big bottom wick right there. So I took longs, ended up getting stopped out on it right away. I only had like a 30. I had my SL right below the low, and then I pretty much got stopped out like instantly on that one. Anyway.
Yo, look at the thumbnail, bro. I snap. Look at the
All right, yeah, guys. Sorry. Quick intermission in the video. We are going. Yo, that's so hard, bro. The Lyrical Lemonade, bro.
We're actually viral,
bro. That. All right, guys. I'm sorry you have to watch this. This is part of the trading recap. I don't even care that I fucking had a red day. First comment, not too late to delete. I'm giving that a thumbs down, asshole. All right, guys, you gotta let us. All right, let me turn my desktop audio. Make sure it's on.
These charts are the same.
We're actually going
I admit it, my mentor said stay disciplined. Blew my funded, oh no, I didn't.
Fuck trading, that's what Steph Trade said.
Hard candles,
hard drop, no trend.
Signal to pull me out of this dead end. Wake up the next day in a lost position with a new strat. Says stick to precision. Start guessing, I'll be broke by submission.
Who am I kidding? All this over trading is
It's just fire, bro.
I'm a broke boy, really feel like
The music video is actually so like tough, bro.
Trades, man, it's been a minute. Pissed off from from the way that I'm not winning. I'm not winning. Tell me what's the secrets to gains, I don't get it. Feel like I be winning the trades, I'm not winning. Ran into the disco today and they grinning.
Oh God, man, we really doing this shit, man. 2025, man. We coming there, bro. Right?
These shots are the same.
Bro, come on, man.
All charts are the same. They're melting my brain, bruh. I think I need a change before I go insane, bruh. All charts are the same. They're melting my brain, bruh. I think I need a change before I go insane, bruh.
How much Ori has, bro?
Yo, dude,
Bro,
that
that was
is
so cool,
fucking gold. Bro, I'm actually so dead. That shit is so hilarious, bro. So yeah, make sure you guys go head on over to Steph's channel and drop a like and a comment on that video. Yeah, but anyway, back to trading. Anyway, got stopped out of that long setup. Obviously, we came down and then ended up closing below this low right here, as you can see. Now, at this point, 5-minute Hikinashi has flipped red, and I am now having a bearish bias. If I go out onto the 5-minute time frame, you can also see that we broke structure to the downside on the 5-minute. So a break of structure was from this candle right here when we closed below this low. Also, very big momentum candle, and then the 5-minute close right here. Big top wick, very bearish candle right there. 15-minute time frame. Boom, boomstick, right? Now, the 15-minute candle wasn't fully printed by the time that I got into the trade, but just so you guys can see. Anyway, I enter in right there. I have a 50-point SL, okay? Now, this is a big SL. I was only in this trade with 2 micros on my 50K account because I had a 50-point SL. But I was targeting this low right here. That low right there, 69.75 TP. If I ran a 1-to-1, I would have just barely hit TP, but I had a little bit bigger of a TP, and price was so volatile today that I was confident that we were going to flush down and see this, especially after seeing this such a big dump and seeing that higher time frame confirmation. And I just, you know, I thought we were going to continue down. So anyway, I took my longs. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is the 1-minute time frame. Okay. Now, I ended up getting out of this trade right here at 10:30 because it might have even been later than that. Actually, no, it was right there. I ended up getting out for about like 5 points because I was just so tired of being in it for so long. Now, fortunately, I guess I kind of lucked out because this thing actually would have ended up getting stopped out, even though it came 13 points away from hitting TP on a 70-point trade. That is just pain right there. Having a 70-point TP and being 13 points away from it is just absolute pain. Anyway, look at how strong this zone was. All right, we have a little bit of a dump-off rip. We close below the zone, retest, a little bit of a dump-off rip. I thought we were about to hit TP right there. No, we don't. We reverse back up. Rejection out again. Back up into the zone. Rejection out again. Back up into the zone. Rejection out. Big rejection out. Hold again off that low. Back into the zone. Small rejection out right there. We come up, we do technically close. I still consider this was rejection out of the zone. Come back into it again. Huge rejection out. Pull back even huge, and then more momentum. We just kept holding that low, and look what happened. But guys, keep in mind, this is the 1-minute time frame that I executed this trade on. I was in this trade for almost an hour. Okay. My trades normally don't last any more longer than the longest trade that I'm used to seeing on an occasional basis is like 6 minutes. So this was just ridiculous. And after seeing how much of a chop just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, it's just pain, bro. So I ended up getting out just barely in profit. So I still ended down on the day because I just, took like 5 points there and then got stopped out for like 30 or 35 points over there. But it's all relative. So I have different size SLs and TPs. Right, but whatever size my SL is, I'm going to size accordingly so that my loss is always going to be $200 to $250. I always keep my losses at $250 max on my 50K accounts. Anyway, those were today's trades. Nothing crazy besides just realizing how much CPI news the other day actually just fucked on the market and destroyed price action. And yesterday, if we even go to yesterday, I'll show you guys the trade I took yesterday. There actually was 3 of them. I took 3 trades yesterday, got stopped out of this first short setup right here after closing below the zone, pulling back into these fair value gaps, rejection out, close again, and then wait for retest. I entered there, stop loss above those highs, got stopped out of that one. Anyway, we come back down, took shorts again right here after this big momentum break, stop above the zone, 30-point TP, 30-point stop loss, 56-point TP. Hit that one. So now I was up on the day by like 20 points or so, or something like that. Third trade, same thing as today. Entered here, chop for, I was in this trade for almost an hour. Down, entered shorts right here off the rejection of this zone to continue this downtrend on the higher time frame. Tap into the zone, up, down, up, down, up, down. Literally came fucking, I'm not even trolling, bro. You know what's even, remember how I literally just said being 13 points away from your TP on a 70-point TP trade is pain? You know what's even more pain? Having a 45-point TP and coming 1.5 points away from your TP. That's 6 ticks. That is 6 ticks away from hitting my TP on a 45-point trade. And I got stopped out. Ended up being down a little bit on the day. I said 5 points earlier. I guess it was more like 15, but it was only like, it wasn't that much. It was like $100 or something like that. So I guess it's significant enough to count. But yeah, ended up on the week still green because Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday we did great, as you guys saw. So there's a trade recap of the last 2 days. Pretty much just got hoed by dog shit price action. Really hoping that next week is better. Thursdays and Fridays especially, are, you know, they are usually bad. Like there's a thing around Fridays. A lot of people don't like to trade on Fridays just because the price action is generally bad. Like Tuesday and Wednesday are statistically my best days, I think, as well. And Thursdays and Fridays are statistically my worst. And I just went ahead and added onto that statistic today and yesterday. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to trip out about it. Like I said, what the fuck did I just say? Not going to trip about it. Like I said, we are up at the end of the week. That's all that matters. Green is green. Okay. Yeah. So, moral of the story is try to avoid getting caught in something like this if you can. And if you do, just say a prayer to God, because being in this sucks a lot. Make sure you check out our video too and our song. Give it a like. And I apologize if it made your ears bleed. It is a joke, so please treat it accordingly. But yeah, that's all we got. Or that's all I got. I will see you guys this weekend. I'm going to make a video. Not sure on what yet. Leave a comment what you guys want to see, but if not, I'll come up with something. So I'll see you this weekend, and later, boys.